What advice can you give people who want to develop good eating habits?
To have good habits, you must get a early eat lot of the fruits and vegetables.
How important is it to drink lots of water?
For me, it's very important um, drinking water more drinks is bad.
In your opinion, is it essential to do some exercise every day?
Is no a century is important. It helps us use with our health.
People say
People
everyone
say
needs at least
everyone needs
eight
at least
hours
eight
sleep
hours
every
sleep
night.
every night.
What do you think? People say everyone needs at least 8 hours sleep every night. What do
Mm,
you think?
in the night for 8 hours and no more sleep.
Do you think technology has generally had a positive or negative effect on people's health?
And the technology is positive um, for work and study. It depends hours from the computation and is positive for people.